Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a YouTube ad with Google Ads, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To create a YouTube ad using Google Ads, start by visiting the Google Ads website. Sign into your Google Ads account or create a new one if you don't have an account yet. Once you're logged in, click on the Campaigns tab located in the left-hand menu. Next, click on the blue plus button to create a new campaign. Choose the New Campaign option from the drop-down menu. Select your campaign goal. For YouTube ads, options like sales or website traffic are commonly chosen. In the next step, select the campaign type by clicking on Video. Choose the subtype of video ad you wish to create, like skippable in-stream or video discovery. Name your campaign to easily identify it later. Set your budget and bidding strategy. You can choose to set a daily budget or a campaign total. Next, select the target audience you want to reach. Use demographic targeting settings to narrow down your audience based on age, gender, and location. You can also add interests and keywords to further refine your audience. Move on to set the placements where you want your ad to appear on YouTube. Now, upload your video ad. Make sure it complies with YouTube's ad policies. After uploading, enter the final URL where viewers will be directed after clicking on your ad. Review all your settings to ensure everything is accurate. Finally, click the Create Campaign button to launch your YouTube ad. Once your ad is live, monitor its performance through the Google Ads dashboard. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.